Hi guys, welcome back to another English speaking video. Today we are going to practice a very common spoken English question. What's something you learned in the last week? This question is very useful for daily conversation, interviews and exams. So let's learn how to answer it confidently. Last week, I learned how to manage my daily expenses better. I started noting down all my spending like groceries, transport, and small daily costs. It helped me understand where I was wasting money. Now, I am trying to save a little every day. It may be a small thing, but it is really useful for my future. It was my answer. Now answer this question in your own words. What did you learn last week? You can talk about study, work, life skills, money management. Okay. Always use simple sentences and speak with confidence during speaking English. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you perfect. Now it's your turn. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment your answer, share with your friends and subscribe for more spoken English practice videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.